Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It is a circular design featuring the words never be cruel but never be cowardly. Hate is always foolish and love is always wise, done in a relatively simplistic fine line design. This was done using the grid above me to get our different letters and letter stems, which if you look at these different shapes up here that are the start of each of those rows, in the very top row you'll see a horseshoe shape, and then in the next row we'll see a floating circle, third row we'll see a sort of like bite taken out of a cookie, and then in the bottom row we see a circle crossing a word circle. All four of those letter stems show up here in this part of the design. Here we have that top row shape, that horseshoe, then we have that floating circle, then we have the third row shape, like the bite taken out of a cookie, and then we have our last row shape. And those are the different rows of the grid. And then the columns are made by the number of dots on something. So these all have 3 dots, except for this last one that has 2 dots. And this is an R because that's where the 3 dot and then that horseshoe, shallot of it shape kind of connect up. That's where they meet. So this is an R, and then this is a D because it's in the top row as opposed to the third row. Then there's an L floating in the center, and then a Y with 2 dots. So that would be the rest of cowardly. This start marker tells you where to start reading, in which direction it goes. In a design like this, you start reading at the bottom and you go counterclockwise, outer to inner. So here's our start, and our first letter is this N. It's a floating circle, so we're in the third row, and then there's one line on it, making it an N. And these lines, they count where they end on a letter. So if they pass through something, doesn't matter, doesn't count, like this here passes through that, doesn't count because it doesn't end on it. And this line here, right, it wraps around, so it counts both here and here because it ends on it twice. So this is a W. But anyway, reading this word. N with one line, E is a vowel. All of these little guys, they are all vowels, and an E is centered right on the line of our word circle. So here's another E, more E's, lots of E's. And then sometimes there's a line going inwards coming from the vowel. So this would be an E, except it has that line going inwards. And the line going inwards makes it an I, where a line going outwards makes it a U. So here is another U, here's another U, and this is another I because its line is going inwards towards the center of the word circle. In is relative to the word circle. So here is another I because it's going inwards relative to this word circle here. So that's and then there's A's. A's are positioned outside of our word circle like this. Here's another A. And O's are inside of our word circle. So here's the word circle line, here's the O inside, where here's the A outside. O's can also be attached onto consonants, so the consonant being inside our word circle, it gets the O attached to it, like a bead on a string. Here's another attached O, and here's an unattached O. And this can confuse a lot of people because this looks like an E, right? There's both a little circle on the line of something. But what matters is this is the line of our word circle, where this is the line of our letter circle. So yeah, that's A's, E's, I's, O's, and U's. So here's an E, and then here's a shallow divot with one line for the V. Here's another E, and this is a shallow divot with 3 dots for the R. Again, shallow divot, third row, and then in the column with 3 dots above it. Here's a horseshoe shape, so top row, B, E, centered, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on the C, and then this is kind of tricky here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots in a row. How do we tell which dots go to which letter? Well, this one's pretty obviously with this letter, but what about these guys? Well, they count on the letter that they're closer to. So this one goes here. This one is the trickiest. It's pretty close to this one, but it's slightly closer to this one here. So there's 1, 2, 3 dots with this shallow divot for the R. And then in this one, there's 1, 2, 3 dots on the L. So this is the R-U-E-L. So that's the cruel. And then this guy here is our comma. It's on our sentence circle, and it's a filled-in circle, so a comma. And then we have this horseshoe shape for a B, just like this one. So it has a line going outwards from its vowel, so that's a U. T, so but. N-E-V-E-R, done exactly the same as this, never N-E-V-E-R, yippee. And then B, this horseshoe shape with nothing on it, and then the E centered. C-O-W-A-R-D-L-Y. So there we have the never be cruel but never be cowardly bit, and here's our period. And then here we have a horseshoe shape with 2 lines on it for the H, A outside the word circle, T, shallow divot with nothing on it, and then this E is another vowel, and it is on the line centered on our word circle. So HATE. I has a line going inwards, shallow divot with 3 lines for the S, A outside the word circle, L with 3 dots, W with 2 lines, A outside the word circle, Y crosses with 2 dots, just like this Y here, and then this L is just like that L. This is a C because it's got 4 dots. Anyway, A, L, W, A, Y, S, always. And then F, 1, 2, 3 lines, O, that's internal. It's like a beat on a string on that consonant. And then O, internal again, L with 3 dots, just like that O, I line going inwards, and an SH can be done as just 1 letter, a shallow divot with 2 dots. And then there's another comma. This word circle, its first letter doesn't show up until all the way over here, where we have our little letter A outside our word circle. And this horseshoe shape has 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, making it an ND. So A, ND is and, L with 3 dots, O is internal, V, shallow divot, 1 line, E centered, love, I line going inwards, 1, 2, 3 lines on this S. This curvy guy is just the line coming from that S. And then A outside our word circle, L with 3 dots, W with 2 lines, A outside the word circle, Y with 2 dots, S shallow divot with 3 lines. And then W, 1, 2 lines, I line going inwards, S shallow divot, 3 lines again, just like that, S. And in fact, this W is just like that W. See, shallow divot, 2 lines, shallow divot, 2 lines. And then our E at the end of that. So that wraps us up with a period. And again, altogether, it is never be cruel, comma, but never be cowardly, period. Hate is always foolish, comma, and love is always wise, period. And that's that design. Hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.